How to create Canva account. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video has helped you out, please let me know in the comments or simply just leave a like so I actually know that this video has helped you out. So let's just get started right away. And all you pretty much want to do is go to canva.com. Now, I have left a link in the description of this video or the pinned comment down below as well of this video, which will bring you over to the canva.com immediately. So once you are here, you pretty much just want to click on sign up in the top right corner. Pretty easy. And here we have a couple of options. So we have Google, Facebook, and email. Now here you also have continue another way. If you click on this, you have a bunch of more options. So you can continue with Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Clever, email, your work email, or log in with your mobile. Now, now if you, for example, select Google, it's actually pretty easy, just a bunch of clicks. But if you do the regular way with your email, then it is actually a little bit different. So here I'm simply going to fill in my email address. Once you've filled in your email address, you want to select your name. So I've already filled this in and I'm going to click on continue. Then they will send you a code to your email, which you have just entered. So then the email will look like this. So here we have the code. You want to copy this, go back here, paste it in. It will automatically continue for you just like that. And here we can see what will you be using Canva for. So you are a small business, a large company, nonprofit or charity, teacher, personal or student. So you can select whatever you would like to. So if you, for example, select small business or a large company, it will also ask, usually, I believe it will ask you to add members to your group. If you're simply just a personal, then I don't think it will ask that. Let's just see. For now, it doesn't. But here we can see that we can start a free trial. So Canva is actually free, but there's also a pro version. So here you can see, or you can read what it's all about. You can also prefer a team trial. Like I said, you can do that for your team as well. It just depends on what you would like. So yeah, you can, for example, first use it for free and then just later pay it or just keep on using it for free. So I'm going to click on maybe later. Then here we can see, can we send you amazing things? So it will ask you if you would like to receive recommendations, design school, what's new, achievements and milestones, and design challenges to your email. So you can accept this if you would like to, or just not now. I'm actually not going to accept this. So I'm going to click on here. And there we go. We can see all the confetti and we are currently in our account. So we are a personal account, as you can see over here. And here we have the for you. So here we have a bunch of different templates. So first it will ask you play with Canva. So you can just mess around and do whatever you would like to. Here we have documents, whiteboards, presentation, Instagram post, video, resume, flyer, and a bunch of more stuff. Even stuff like websites over here. So there's also a new Magic Studio. Here you can view all of your projects which you have created. If you go to templates, here you can start exploring a bunch of templates like a document. So you can see a bunch of different documents, as you can see. And the ones with a crown is a pro version. So you can see there's a lot of free ones, but as well as some pro ones. Here you can also go to brand, but as you can see, this is also pro, and then apps are over here, which is quite nice. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how to create Canva account.